Alex, I need to tell you something, and it's a little embarrassing.
Go ahead. I'm listening.
I understand English perfectly. I watch movies, I read articles, I even understand fast podcasts. But the moment someone asks me a question, my brain just freezes. Nothing comes out.
Ah, the freeze.
Yes, the freeze. It's like my English disappears the second I need to actually use it.
Emma, I want you to hear this clearly. You do not have an English problem.
I don't?
No, you have a reflex problem.
Wait, a reflex problem? What does that even mean?
It means your brain knows English, but your mouth has never been trained to grab it quickly. Knowing and reaching are two very different skills.
Huh, I never thought about it that way.
So here's my promise to you today. After this lesson, you're going to learn 3 simple habits that train your brain to reach for English automatically. No memorizing, no grammar books, just reflex.
Okay, that actually sounds amazing. I'm ready.
Good. But first, take a deep breath.
Okay, done.
Awesome. Because today, we're not doing grammar. We're doing training.
Training? Like a gym?
Exactly like a gym. And that's exactly where we're going to start. Emma, think about your English knowledge right now. Where does it live?
I don't know. In my head, I guess?
Right. But how is it stored? Imagine your knowledge is sitting in a big library. Thousands of words, perfectly organized on shelves.
Okay, I like that image.
Now, when someone asks you a question, what do you have to do?
I have to run into the library and search for the right book?
Exactly. And searching takes time. That's the freeze.
Oh my gosh, that's exactly what it feels like. I'm running through shelves in my head.
So here's the shift. We're not going to add more books to your library today.
We're not?
No. We're going to build a fast road from the library straight to your mouth. That road is called a reflex, and reflexes are built one way.
How?
Repetition. Out loud. Every single day.
So it's not about knowing more. It's about training the road.
Spot on. Now let's build that road with 3 simple habits. Habit 1 is called narrate your life. Every time you do something small, say it out loud in English.
Like what?
Look around you right now. What are you touching?
My coffee cup.
Say it. This is my dash.
This is my coffee cup.
Boom. Now try this one. You're feeling something right now. What is it?
I feel a little nervous, actually.
Perfect sentence. I feel a little nervous. See what just happened?
I didn't search the library. It just came out.
Because it was small and it was real. Small and real sentences build the road fastest. Habit 2 is pattern bricks. Instead of building a new sentence from 0 every time, you use 1 brick and just swap the end.
Like a Lego piece.
Exactly like Lego. Take the brick, I'm trying to. Finish it for me.
I'm trying to speak more confidently.
Awesome. Now do it again. Different ending.
I'm trying to save money this month.
See how fast that was? You didn't build a house from nothing. You just added 1 new piece to a brick you already trust.
That feels so much lighter than correct grammar.
Because it is. Your brain isn't solving a puzzle anymore. It's just snapping bricks together. Habit 3 is echo training. You hear a sentence, and instead of just understanding it, you say it back out loud, like an echo in a canyon.
So even if I already understand it?
Especially if you already understand it. Understanding lives in your ears. Speaking lives in your mouth. They are 2 different muscles.
2 different muscles. I never separated those.
Most learners don't. Try this with me. I'll say a sentence, you echo it back exactly.
Okay.
I am training my brain to speak English.
I am training my brain to speak English.
Now change 1 word and echo your own version.
I am training my mouth to speak clearly.
Exactly. You just did in 5 seconds what usually takes learners 5 minutes of thinking. Now let's step into the mistake lab. This is a safe place. No grades, no judgment.
Okay, I'm ready. Test me.
Mistake 1. Waiting for perfect English before you speak.
Oh no, that's literally me. I keep thinking I'll speak once my grammar is better.
And how's that working?
It's not. I've been getting ready for 2 years.
Right. Readiness comes from speaking, not before it. Fix it for me. Say it the new way.
I don't need to be ready. I need to practice today.
Beautiful. Mistake 2. Judging your own recorded voice like an enemy.
Guilty. I hate hearing myself.
Try listening like a coach instead. Ask, what can I improve? Not, why do I sound bad?
Okay, I feel calmer already.
And mistake 3. translating every single word in your head before speaking.
That's my biggest one. I translate, then I panic, then I forget what I wanted to say.
So instead, think in tiny English thoughts, not full paragraphs. Just, I'm hungry. I feel tired. Small thoughts build the road faster than big translations ever will.
Small thoughts, not big translations. Got it.
All right, Emma, time to prove it. No stopping, no thinking, just react.
Oh no, life pressure.
You've got this. How was your day?
It was busy, but good. I worked, I studied a little English, and I made dinner.
Nice. What are you trying to improve this week?
I'm trying to speak English every single day, even for just 1 minute.
And how do you feel about that goal?
Honestly, a little nervous, but proud that I'm even trying.
Emma, do you realize what just happened?
What?
You didn't search the library once. That was pure reflex.
Oh my gosh, you're right. It just came out.
That's the road, Emma. That's what daily training builds. So here's your golden sentence for today. Write it down, say it out loud, save it somewhere you'll see it.
I'm ready.
Don't wait to be ready. Train the road and readiness will follow.
Don't wait to be ready. Train the road.
Exactly. That's it. That's the whole lesson in one sentence. Before you go, here's your homework, and I genuinely want to see it.
Tell them, Alex.
Write 3 sentences in the comments below. 1 using narrate your life, 1 using a pattern brick, and 1 echo you practiced today.
And he really does read them. I've seen it.
Every single one. I want to see your road being built, sentence by sentence.
So don't just watch this video. Do the homework.
See you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.